Now I will teach you how can you calculate the empirical formula of a compound that is based upon a problem. Suppose a problem will be given. A compound contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen having mass percentage 54.35, 9.07 and 36.58 respectively. That means carbon having mass percentage of 54.35, hydrogen having mass percentage 9.07. Mass percentage means percentage composition, we already discussed in the previous class. Carbon having what? Mass percentage of 54.35, hydrogen having 9.07 and oxygen having 36.58 respectively. The molecular mass is 88 AU. Calculate the molecular formula of the compound. All are known about the molecular mass. In Odia it is called Anandika Vastutva. How can you calculate the molecular formula and also empirical formula? What are the steps required for the calculation of molecular formula and empirical formula of the compound? Compound is given. Compound name is not given, and our aim to find out the molecular formula by the help of percentage composition vector. First step, answer. First step is your elements. What are the elements present in the compound? Second is your mass percentage. Mass percentage is solved by tabular method. Elements. Next is your mass percentage. Next is your atomic mass. Next is your atomic mass. Next is your simplest atomic ratio, not simple, atomic ratio. Next is your simplest atomic ratio. Next is your simplest atomic ratio. Next is your whole number ratio. These are the steps by which you can able to solve the problem. What are the elements present in the compound? In the problem, the elements are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So first column you can write carbon, another is your hydrogen, another is your oxygen. The three elements present are in this compound. A compound. That means your given compound. Mass percentage, that is your 54.35. Mass percentage of hydrogen is 9.07. Mass percentage of oxygen is 36.5. Mass percentage of carbon is 54.35. Mass percentage of hydrogen is 9.07. Mass percentage of oxygen is 36.5. We know that atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of oxygen is 60. It is all known to us. How can you calculate the atomic ratio? There is a formula. How can you calculate the atomic ratio? It is your formula. Atomic ratio equal to percentage composition, mass percentage divided by atomic mass. It is your formula to calculate the atomic ratio. Your formula to calculate the atomic ratio. Your carbon having mass percentage is 54.35 and atomic mass is 12. So we can write 54.35 divided by 12. Like that, it is written as 9.07 divided by 1. That is also written as 36.58 divided by 60. It is your atomic ratio. It is your atomic ratio. If you divide 54.35 by 12, then we can find out that is your 4.53. 4.53. Next is your 9.07 divided by 1 means 9.07. 36.5 divided by 16 means that is your 2.29. 54.35 divided by 12 is equal to 4.53. 9.07 divided by 1 is equal to 9.07. 36.5 divided by 16 equal to 2.29. Next is your simplest atomic ratio. How can you calculate the simplest atomic ratio? In the atomic ratio column, you find out here 4.53, 9.07, another is your 2.29. If I will ask questions, among the three value, which is the smallest value? 2.29 is the smallest value. 2.29 is the smallest value. For calculation of simplest atomic ratio, the smallest value is highly necessary. That means simplest atomic ratio can be calculated by the smallest value of an atomic ratio. There are three values: 4.53, 9.07, 2.29. Among the three values, 2.29 is the smallest value. Now, for calculation of simplest atomic ratio, the smallest value is divided to all. That means 4.53 divided by 2.29. Next is your 9.07 divided by 2.29. Next is your 2.29 divided by 2.29. It divided by itself. That means the basic rule is your select the smallest value among the atomic ratio, then by the smallest value you divided all the atomic ratio. Here the smallest 4.53, 9.07, 2.29, the smallest value is 2.29. So it is bound to divide 4.53 divided by 2.29, 9.07 divided by 2.29, 2.29 divided by 2.29. By solving this, we can find out that is your 1.987 something, maybe 1.92 something, just like 1.987. It is your 3.96. This can be your 1. Around it you can take the help of calculator and find out the exact value. Maybe it may be 1.987, 3.96, another is 1. This is the simplest atomic ratio. 1.987 is the simplest atomic ratio of carbon. 3.98, 3.96 related to hydrogen, 1 related to oxygen. Next is your whole number ratio. How can you calculate the whole number ratio? We know very well that 1.67 is rounded off to 2. Remember, if the value is more than 0.5, more than 1.5, then it is suppose the value is 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, like this, it is 1.8. Here 1.987, it is rounded off as 2. 2 is the nearest whole number. Here we can write 3.96 means 4. Here we can write 1 means 1. These are the point value. It is also a point value, but it is a whole number. It is also a whole number. Our aim to convert the point value into nearest whole number. Suppose here 1.87 is given, then you can convert it into 2. Suppose here 2.129, 1 that is converted into. Suppose here we can write it down 4.87 is converted into 5, like this. 1.987 is written as 2, 3.96 is written as 4, 1 is written as 1. According to the definition of empirical formula, we know that empirical formula clearly indicate the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms of different element present in a molecule of a compound. Means empirical formula clearly indicates about the simplest whole number ratio. This is your simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number, which is that also simplest whole number ratio. We know that here the elements present are carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. The simplest whole number is 2 for carbon, so we can write 2 C2. Here hydrogen having 4, so that is your H4. Oxygen is your 1, then it is your C2H4 1. That is the empirical. Suppose here we can write 5, 6, 7. What is the empirical formula? That is your 5, 6, 7. Suppose here 1, 2, 4. The empirical formula is what? 1, 2, 4. Like this. In this problem, here are 2 value, here are 4, here are 1. So the empirical formula must be C2H4 O1. You can write 1 or not, is your choice. What will be the empirical mass? 2 into 12 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 16. What is the value? That is your 2 into 12 means 24 plus 4 means 28. 28, that is your how much? 24, 4, 16. 4, 44. That is your 44. The empirical mass is your 44. We know that in our question it is given that molecular mass is your 888. Molecular mass is your what? 888. This is your value 888. And we know that N is equal to molecular mass by empirical mass. That means 88 divided by 44 is equal to what? 302. We again know that what? N is equal to molecular formula by empirical formula. Yes or no? There are two formulas already studied. N is equal to molecular formula by empirical formula. Here N is given, find out what is equal to molecular formula is nothing. Our aim to find out. Empirical formula is given, that is your C2H4O. That means molecular formula is what? 2 into C2H4O. To find out C4H8, C4H8O2. That is the molecular formula of the compound C4H8O2. Our aim to find out the molecular formula. This is the molecular formula. Again, I repeat this. In your problem, find out what are the elements present in your compound. In my problem, there is the compound contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So the first column is your list out the elements. Then find out the mass percentage. Here the mass percentage are given 54.35, 9.07, 36.58. It is all world known to me. The atom mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. Next step is your atomic ratio. 54.35 divided by 12, that is your 4.53. Atomic ratio can be calculated by the help of mass percentage divided by atomic ratio. This is your formula. Atomic ratio is your mass percentage by atomic ratio is your formula. So 54.35 divided by 12 equal to 4.53. Next is your 9.07 divided by 1 is 9.07. 36.5 divided by 16 is 2.29. Then next step is to find out the simplest atomic ratio. For calculation of simplest atomic ratio, you have to choose a smallest value in atomic ratio column. 2.29 is the smallest value, and it is help to divide all values of atomic ratio. 4.53 divided by 2.29, that is 1.987. 9.07 divided by 2.29, that is 3.96. 2.29 divided by 2.29 is 1. Then it is converted into the nearest simplest whole number ratio. 1.987 is converted to 3.96 converted to 4. 2.29 divided by 1 is converted to 1. Then write down by the help of this value and the elements list, you can calculate the empirical formula C2H4O1. Empirical mass is 0.44. By the help of empirical formula, you can be able to calculate empirical mass. Again, we know that molecular mass is 88. N is equal to M by empirical formula, empirical mass. So 88 by 44 is 2. Again, we know that N is equal to molecular formula by empirical formula. N is equal to 2. 2 is equal to molecular formula by C2H4O. Molecular mass, this is a molecular formula. Molecular formula is equal to 2 into C2H4O. C4H8. Suppose in many problems I have seen that the simplest whole number ratio. Suppose by solving the problem we got such type of problem test by us. After finding the simplest atomic ratio, suppose your column is your first column is your element. In many problems, what happens? It is your element, it is your mass percentage. Mass percentage, this is your atomic mass. Atomic mass, this is your atomic ratio. Then next is your simplest atomic ratio. Next is your simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number ratio. What happens? You will face many problems in many questions. Suppose the simplest atomic ratio, calculation of all these terms. Suppose the simplest atomic ratio is your 1.5. Suppose 3 by 2 is your 1.5. Another is your 1.1. Another is your suppose 2.09. Remember, 2.09 is converted into 1.1 is converted into 1. But remember, 1.5 cannot be converted into 2, or 2 cannot be converted into 1. This is very difficult to remember. Remember, if its value is more than 0.5, 0.5 means more than 0.5 means 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, just like that it is converted into next digits. If its value is less, 1.3, 1.2, 1.4, like this, it is converted into less before the numerical number, that is 1. But if its value is 1.5, then it is very difficult to convert whether 1 or 2. It can be solved by like this. If you multiply by 2, if you multiply by all 2, then its value is 3, its value is 2.2, its value is 4.18. Now it is very easy to convert 3 to that is also. Suppose if the simplest atomic ratio is 1.33, 2.01, 4.01, it can be multiplied by 3, that is 3.99, that is multiplied by 3 by 6.03, multiplied by 3 means 12.03, it is written as 4, it is written as 6, it is written as 12. If the simplest atomic ratio is like this, 1.32, 1.1, 2.0, 2.1, that is compared to 1, 2, 2. It is remember that if the value is 0.5, more than 0.5, then it is compared to next. If its value is 0.5, it is multiplied by 2 or divided by anything. Your aim to convert the simplest atomic ratio to the simplest whole number ratio. If you multiply one simplest atomic ratio by 2, then you can multiply all of simplest atomic ratio by 2. Clear, this is all about the calculation of molecular formula and empirical formula.